Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Oster Blender Food Processor. The 1200 watt motor in the Oster Pro Blender Food Processor combo is powerful enough to break ice. It comes with a 6-cup glass jar for blending, a 5-cup food processor bowl with a stainless steel slicing disc and chopping blade, and a 24-ounce smoothie cover-to-go cup. Users can avoid trapped ingredients using dual-direction blade technology. One-touch buttons for salsas, milkshakes, smoothies, and soups are included in the pre-programmed settings. There's also a pulse option if you want greater control over how your food is processed. The parts of the unit can be washed in the dishwasher. Slices, chops, and shreds for fast and easy food prep, and comes with a stainless steel slicing disc and chopping blade. Includes pre-programmed settings for smoothies, salsas, and milkshakes, and 7 speeds from pulse to puree. Number 2 in this Best Blender Food Processor combo list is Ninja SS351 Blender and Processor. The Ninja Foodie Blender/Food Processor has a 1400 watt motor with smart torque technology that allows it to cut through dense materials without becoming caught or blocked. A 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker with a tamper to force down contents is included in the system, in addition to the multi-purpose jar. It also comes with a 24-ounce nutrition extraction cup for preserving vitamins in healthy drinks. 6 preset programs for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough provide one-touch control, while a variable speed knob allows for manual control. For easy cleaning, all pieces are dishwasher safe. Our third pick is Cuisinart DFP14K food processor. This large-capacity food processor speeds all cooking from quick, weeknight meals to weekend celebrations. With a large 14-cup work bowl, extra-large feed tube and dishwasher-safe parts, there's more time to share the delicious results with family and friends. This food processor appears quite similar to the original model that made food processors so popular in household kitchens, but it now has a new chopping blade and a brushed stainless steel finish. With a single lever to turn the machine on and a second lever for off or pulse operations, the operation is straightforward. The bowl includes dual feed tubes, so you can put full huge veggies in the main tube or stand thin foods like carrots and celery in the inner little tube so they don't fall over during slicing. This comes with a slicing disc and a shredding disc, so it can handle all of your needs without adding a lot of extra accessories that you'll have to store. Fourth pick in our Best Blender Food Processor combo list is Breville BFP800XL Food Processor. This food processor includes all of the functionality you'll need, as well as the strength to work with your favorite foods. It comes with 5 multifunction discs and 3 blades that cut through anything from dough to cheese to salsa in no time. The huge 16-cup bowl is perfect for producing large batches for the whole family, while the 1x2 cup micro bowl is perfect for making hummus for one or blending a small amount of chimichurri for a garnish. The extra-wide feed tube allows you to process most veggies without cutting them into small pieces, and the LCD screen shows a count-up and count-down auto timer so you can keep track of how long it takes to process them. Short ingredients are easily handled because to the small feed tube, and the small pusher acts as a measuring cup. While the CPU is functioning, a silicone seal prevents leakage. From paper thin to 8 mm, the variable slicing blade may be changed to 24 various slicing thicknesses. Other discs include a reversible shredding disc, julienne cuts, French fries, and whisking. A universal chopping blade, a dough blade, and a blade that fits the tiny bowl are among the blades included. Last in this list is Cuisinart FP8GMP1 food processor. Cuisinart food processors have been a popular brand for centuries, and for good reason, they're kitchen workhorses. This is a simple model that lacks the bells and whistles found on more expensive models, but it does the job well. For excellent manual control of everything from chunky salsas to flawless purees, It includes 4 simple buttons for high, low, off, and pulse. Because the work bowl has measurement lines and the bowl measures 8 cups, it's easy to assess if there's enough shredded cabbage for the slaw. The reversible shredding and slicing discs included in the package save storage space while providing extra cutting choices. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for simple cleaning. While there are less expensive food processors on the market, this one has enough processing power and storage space for a family. For details, let's watch more.